An aid in presenting a large two-dimensional materials hung on the wall is the letter A, flip chart, letter B, pocket chart, letter C, diorama, or letter D, overhead projector. Large two-dimension materials, and it is hung on the wall. Ang ating pong tumpak na choice dito, of course, would be your flip chart. Okay, so flip chart, ito po yung itsura ng ating flip chart. No? So chart siya, fini-flip-flip siya. No? Meron siyang different pages. Kaya siya tinawag na flip chart. Flip chart, okay? And of course, this is used for your two-dimension materials. Yung may length and width po lamang, no? Hindi siya three-dimensional na materials. Okay, so that's your flip chart. Now, what about the rest of your choices? Bakit po hindi sila yung ating correct choice? Na yung pocket chart kasi maliliit, no? So, hindi po siya po pwede kasi sabi dito large, although it's also two-dimension, pero maliliit po yung po pwede mong ilagay sa inyong pocket chart. Pero yung kagandahan po ng pocket chart natin is that napapalitan po kung ano yung nilalagay natin sa kada pocket dito, no? So, that's your pocket chart. Now, diorama hindi din po siya pwede kasi it's three-dimensional, okay? So, yung diorama mo kasi is a 3D model, okay? So, ito po, yung mga pa-project sa ating overhead projector, ay may transparency pa. Parang meron siyang table na ilalagay mo yung transparency mo, no? Tapos meron siyang pailaw na gano'n.